Taking a look at today's interest rate markets, let's look at the shorter end of the curve today in the two-year note futures as they're holding on to a gain today. Two-year note futures did have quite a volatile session overnight, but they're still holding on to a slight gain. Now, yesterday we did see that June contract close at contract lows, coming off those lows, but overnight we did see a high of 101.22, which is significantly higher than where we're currently priced, which is 101.16.7. So coming back down here today, but still, when you look at really the treasury markets across the board, higher price action coming off of some of the recent lows here. And when you look at the driving factors, really the geopolitical tensions coming out of the Middle East appear to be the primary driver, as we did see significant buying pressure as things unfolded over there overnight with the uncertainty surrounding the initiative that Israel undertook. And with that, it does appear that, at least for the short term, some of those early concerns have been tempered to some degree as we're seeing prices coming back down here. Still holding on to a gain, but certainly significantly off of the intraday highs. And looking at the general price action, we're looking at a yield now on that 2-year at 497 basis points. Now, the range today was 499 on the top end, which is where it closed yesterday, and 488 on the bottom end. So 11-point range as far as yield today, but holding near the top end of the range, just below that. And when you look at the yield curve, we're seeing the yield curve move slightly lower across various durations today. Now, again, a big swing overnight, but when you look at it in totality, we're seeing buying pressure from the 1-year all the way out to the 30-year, moving those yields slightly lower. However, the 2-year is from a longer term perspective, we're looking at yields holding just below that 5% level, which correspond with yields going back to November of last year. So even though we're looking at that June contract hitting contract lows yesterday, from a longer term perspective, as a front month future perspective, the yield component is holding here at the highest level really in 5 months as you look at the price action going back to early November of last year.